Hello everyone, this is Ishan and this is the 14th day of Aurora Rising Summer Camp of Robotics at IIT Gandhinagar.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं
This is Ishan Shah. I'm from Mangalam University and I'm in first year. I've just finished my first year and about to enter the second year.
I am Bhaumik Sanwal, pursuing my BTech CSE AIML from Mangalam University.
My name is Tarun and currently I am pursuing my BTech degree from Mangalam University.
I am Varun Kumar from Mangalam University. Currently, I am pursuing my BTech CSE in AIML.
I've come over here at IIT Gandhinagar for AB6 Aurora Rising Robotics Summer Camp.
We have learned about inverse kinematics. We have to complete 14 tasks in this bootcamp.
So in Aurora Rising Summer School, I have learned many things about robotic arms and manipulators.
So the most interesting thing I have in our bootcamp are like leap hand. Like it can move like in my hand gestures. Like if I move my fingers, like it also mimic my whole hand.
Irrespective of what background they are from, they should be ready to learn new technology, learn new things. This summer school is a very good opportunity for them to learn about robotics, and they are getting to meet new researchers who are working on different aspects of robotics.
Now, this term is still giving me force. So kx plus d x dot is in Cartesian space. So this is giving me force. अब मुझे इसको torques में भेजना है, joint torques में. So for that, I use Jacobian transfers.
Machine learning, artificial intelligence, all the advances that are being made in that field, they're going to be impactful across every technology domain that I can think of. Everything from foundation models to visual language action models, using data-driven techniques or even control systems problems.
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं
Got to know about the robotics field in CS stream after I competed in the Robotics robotic competition in Mangalam University. And after that, I was very keen into learning and pursuing robotics in my future goals.
We have learned a lot over here about robotics, from forward kinematics, inverse kinematics to object orientation, and using world-class machines like Franka, Maker, Panda robot or Heel robot made by Adverb.
The most interesting thing that I like in our summer school bootcamp are Heel robot, which is powered by Adverb.